Hi everyone, welcome to this video where we're going to dive into adverbs. Adverbs play a crucial role in modifying verbs, adjectives, and even other adverbs. They help add detail to your sentences and clarify the meaning. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp on how to use adverbs effectively. So let's get started. So, what exactly is an adverb? Well, an adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or even another adverb. It explains how, when, where, or to what degree something happens. Here are some examples. First, she sings beautifully. This shows how she sings. Then, they arrived early. This tells us when they arrived. Next, he works here. This explains where he works. Finally, she is very smart. This shows to what degree she is smart. Let's talk about the different types of adverbs first. We have adverbs of manner. These describe how something happens. For example, she dances gracefully. This tells us how she dances. Next, adverbs of time indicate when something happens. For instance, I will call you later. Now let's continue with two more types of adverbs. First, adverbs of place describe where something happens. A good example is the children are playing outside. Finally, adverbs of degree show the intensity or degree. For example, he is quite tired. Now let's look at where adverbs are placed in a sentence. First, adverbs of manner usually come right after the verb. For example, he runs quickly. Secondly, adverbs of time often go at the end of the sentence. For instance, they will arrive tomorrow. Continuing on, adverbs of place also tend to go at the end. Like in this example, she lives nearby. Lastly, adverbs of degree typically go before the adjective or verb. For example, she is very happy. Now let's address some common mistakes with adverbs. First, using an adjective instead of an adverb. For example, saying she speaks quick is incorrect. The correct version is she speaks quickly. And secondly, misplacing the adverb. For instance, she quickly runs every morning is not quite right. A better version is she runs quickly every morning. Let's try a few practice sentences. Choose the correct adverb. 1. She talks loudly. 2. They arrived early. 3. He runs quickly. 4. She is too very tired. Go ahead and think about it. Pause the video if you need more time to answer. Let's see how you did. Here are the answers to the practice sentences. For the first one, the correct answer is she talks loudly. Secondly, they arrived early is the right choice. For the third question, the correct answer is he runs quickly. And for the last one, the answer is she is very tired. To wrap up, adverbs are incredibly versatile and useful in making your sentences more descriptive and precise. Remember, adverbs can modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, and they often answer questions like how, when, where, or to what degree something happens. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at using adverbs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.